Have you ever been told you have a viral infection or a bacterial infection and wondered what's the difference anyway? They both cause fever, cough, pain, and weakness. But here's the shocking truth. Viruses and bacteria are completely different enemies. Understanding this difference can literally save lives. So let's explore the hidden microscopic world where viruses and bacteria fight the human body. Most people think viruses and bacteria are the same. That's because the symptoms they cause look very similar. Fever, sore throat, cough, fatigue. These can happen in both infections. But treating them the same way is a dangerous mistake. To understand why, we need to start with the basics. Bacteria are living, single-celled organisms. They have their own structure, their own DNA, and their own metabolism. This means bacteria can eat, grow, and reproduce on their own. Some bacteria are harmful, but many bacteria are actually helpful and live inside your body, especially in your gut. Viruses are very different. In fact, many scientists don't even consider viruses truly alive. A virus has no cells, no metabolism, and no way to reproduce by itself. It must invade a living cell and hijack it, forcing the cell to make thousands of new viruses. Viruses are like microscopic hackers. If bacteria were the size of a football, a virus would be smaller than a grain of sand. Viruses are incredibly tiny, so small that hundreds of viruses can fit inside a single bacterium. This extreme size difference is one reason viruses are so hard to stop. Bacterial infections often spread through contaminated food or water, open wounds, dirty surfaces, or close contact. Diseases like food poisoning, tuberculosis, and many urinary infections are caused by bacteria. The good news? Most bacterial infections can be treated effectively with antibiotics. Viruses spread very easily. A single cough or sneeze can release thousands of viral particles into the air. They enter the body through the nose, mouth, eyes, or direct contact. Common colds, flu, and many respiratory illnesses are viral infections. This is why viral outbreaks can spread so fast. Here's the tricky part. Your body reacts in a similar way to both infections. Fever, pain, inflammation, and fatigue are signs that your immune system is fighting back. Symptoms don't always tell you the cause, only proper testing can. This is one of the most dangerous medical myths in the world. Antibiotics do not kill viruses. Taking antibiotics for a viral infection is useless, and it can actually cause harm. Antibiotics only work against bacteria. Against viruses, they do absolutely nothing. When antibiotics are overused or misused, bacteria begin to evolve. They become stronger, smarter, resistant. These are called superbugs. Antibiotic resistance is one of the biggest medical threats of the modern world, and it's happening because of misuse. When bacteria invade your body, your immune system responds quickly. White blood cells surround and destroy the bacteria. This process is called phagocytosis. With the help of antibiotics, most bacterial infections can be defeated. Fighting viruses is more complicated. Your body creates special proteins called antibodies that recognize and block viruses. Infected cells are destroyed to stop the virus from spreading. This battle takes time, which is why viral infections often need rest, fluids, and patience. Vaccines work like training programs for your immune system. They prepare your body before the real infection happens. Medicines treat disease after infection. Vaccines don't cure illness. They prevent severe disease and save millions of lives. So, which is more dangerous, virus or bacteria? The truth is, both can be deadly.
Some bacteria are easily treatable, while some viruses have no direct cure. Danger depends on the type, the spread, and how quickly treatment begins.
Let's summarize. Bacteria are living organisms. Viruses are invaders that hijack cells. Antibiotics kill bacteria, not viruses. Knowledge is the most powerful medicine. If you learned something new today, like, share, and subscribe for more Medical Explorer videos.